Starting today, we are beginning a video series on the housing society system of Evision. In today's video, we will explore the configuration section. The first subsection in this section is the company information. As soon as we click on company information, a form opens up for us. The interface of this form looks like this. In this form, we will add details related to our society. This information will be applied to our entire society system. Among the various details required, such as company name, address, phone number, and email, we'll start with the input field for the company name. Here, we will write the full name of our society or organization. Next, there's the field for uploading the company logo. We can easily upload the logo by clicking on the Choose button. Then comes the field for the owner's name, where we will input the owner's name. After that, we'll add the address, followed by the phone number, email, and NTN number. Moving forward, there's the GST number input field, where we'll enter the GST number. Finally, we'll simply click on a Submit, and our information will be saved in the Housing Society system.